Hello, Madam Eileen again. So the video cut out, but I figured you didn't need to see how to draw the eyes since I already did the first one. But these eyes and nose are drawn on the end of a 260 balloon. And I showed you how to do cute feet. So now you see two different variations of your llamas. Boy llamas are less dainty. They don't have the pretty feet that the girls do. But llamas are fluffy. Now we're going to show you an alternate. I made the body of a llama here with the fancy feet, the two ears with at least one loop going out from it. So you've used the end pieces and now you are just left with a tube of balloons, not even a full tube. So what I do to start off with is I tie a knot at one end with enough that I can stretch and tie it one more time to something else. Now I need to put air in the centerpiece. Oop, I just found out this was not a tube of balloons, it was actually an end piece. Cut off the end. But anyways, you take your balloon tube and you inflate the other end. And then you make a loop. I'm just twisting it around, and then I pull one of the ends through the center to lock twist it. But then I do one more knot, tying those two ends together to create this little loop. I'm going to cut off one. If you don't tie it hard enough, it will undo at this point. I grab near the knot with the tail, push it underneath the loop, and I go around to the back. I go around, it doesn't matter what loops you go around, just go around random loops. The more you go around, the better. If you give it a pull when you cut, when it snaps back down in place, it goes all the way into the center and it won't bother you. One of these ears are a little bit longer. If you grab where you tie that knot and you pull, sometimes that knot has just enough give to make the balloon a little bit longer or disappear altogether. Yes, balloons pop on professionals. Don't you feel better now? Yeah. Okay. And this gives us a loop face that we can then color in. I dropped my marker. Excuse me a minute. I just got a roller chair for my desk and it's lovely. And then we will, I'm going to do a really big eye this time. Big circle, another circle just touching the side of that circle. Fill it in with lots of squeaking. Do little U curves up, eyelashes. Letter Y for the nose. And there is our llama. So if you don't have end pieces anymore, you can use a 260 loop to make the face. Enjoy your llamas and alpacas. The more you do a design, the faster you'll get. I would do this for a line of children. I really would, because it is wow. And that's what you want. You want to wow people. So I have a lot of llama friends that I now need to find homes for. Llama, llama, it's a llama party. Llama, llama with Madam Eileen. Bye, have fun, happy twisting.